Hi, good day, ma'am. Sir, my name is Katrina Mahayag. I am 39 years old, single mother with one daughter, age 1 year and 7 months. I am a college graduate holding a Bachelor of Science in Hotel, Restaurant, and Management, major in HRM, completed as a 4 years degree course. My religion is Roman Catholic. We are five in our family. I am the youngest and the only daughter among two older brothers. I have experience working as a nanny in the Philippines from April 1, 2022 to April 1, 2024. Finish contract. My employers were a couple, both 36 years old. The husband working overseas while the wife was a housewife and had just delivered a newborn baby. During that time, I started my day at 5 a.m. and finished by 10 p.m. My main duties responsibilities were caring for the newborn baby, feeding, bathing, changing clothes, changing diapers, sterilizing bottles, and monitoring the baby's needs. I also did the household chores, general cleaning, cooking, marketing, washing dishes, laundry, ironing, and keeping the home clean and organized. I have 2 years of working experience as a domestic helper in the Middle East of Bahrain from March 5, 2020 to March 20, 2022. Finish contract. My daily routine, I started at 5 a.m. and finished by 11 p.m. I work for a working couple with 33 and 37 years old with the two children, a newborn baby and a 6 years old. My main focus was caring for the children and managing household chores. This included feeding, bathing, changing clothes, changing diapers, sterilizing, general, cooking, laundry, and ironing. I want to work Hong Kong because it's offer high salary. I do rules and respect local custom. I have a hardworking, honest, patient, trustworthy, and follow instruction rules. I can adapt quickly to your family's routine. I will promise to keep your home clean, safe, and organized. I love caring for children, elderly, and I will treat your family with respect and kindness. My goal is to help you and support my family back home. I can cook with Filipino dishes like minodo, adobo, sinigang, vegetable, with pakbet, chop soy, lumpia, etc. But I am willing to learn Cantonese if necessary. I am in a good health, a non-smoker, and no bad habits, no criminal records, and I'm ready to work to start anytime. I will do my best to serve your family and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much, Mom, sir. See you.